Hi, welcome to Leslie's How to Pool. Today we're going to show you how to get the best water test for your pool. One of the most accurate water tests for understanding the health of your pool water is Leslie's free AccuBlue 10-point water test. Every water test includes a free, customized, and easy-to-follow treatment plan to help you balance and sanitize your pool to perfection, so it's clean, safe, and looks like something you can't wait to jump into. You want to make sure you're testing your pool water at least once a week, or more often depending on the weather and how many swimmers you've had. If you're using test strips at home, that's great, but you'll also want to make sure you bring a water sample to Leslie's for an AccuBlue water test at least every few weeks. It's going to tell you a lot more about your water than what you get from at-home testing strips by analyzing more of your water's chemistry and providing far greater accuracy. So, the first thing you'll want to do is get a sample of your pool water. Your local Leslie's has free water test bottles you can grab anytime. Whether it's a Leslie's bottle or your own container, be sure it's clean before collecting a water sample. You'll need roughly half a cup of water. It's best to collect your water sample from about 18 inches below the surface, around elbow deep. And for the most accurate test, be sure to collect it away from any of your pool's returns and floating chlorine dispensers, and after your pump has been running on high for about an hour to get well-circulated water. Now that you have your water sample, take it into any Leslie's location to get a quick 10-point water test that measures everything from the levels of your free chlorine and pH to cyanuric acid and phosphates, along with 6 other elements. For the most accurate water test, bring your water sample in within an hour and don't let it sit in a hot car. You can ask a Leslie's expert for an AccuBlue water test or simply place it in the AccuBlue testing queue, along with a few quick notes about your pool. Keep in mind, you'll need to have an idea of how many gallons of water your pool holds. And if you're not sure, we have a link below in this video's description for how to calculate your pool's volume. After that, a Leslie's expert will then run a free AccuBlue water test that measures 10 different aspects of your pool water in just 60 seconds. Your water test will come with a score indicating how well it's balanced and sanitized, along with your free customized treatment plan that a Leslie's expert will go over with you. They'll walk you through any recommended products your water might need, along with your easy-to-follow treatment steps. Then, it's all about using those easy instructions to balance and sanitize your pool water. And remember, it's always much easier and less expensive to keep your pool clean rather than working to get it clean. That's why it's best to test your pool water at least once a week to make sure you have clean, safe, and beautiful water. Then once your pool's balanced and sanitized, it's time to have fun. After all, our goal is to help you spend less time maintaining your pool and more time enjoying it. That's it for now. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And for more helpful tricks and tips on pool care, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our blog at lesliespool.com.